Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the future of smartwatches with Garmin Fenix 8 series. This new line of smartwatches is set to revolutionize the market with its advanced features and cutting-edge technology. Fenix 8. The Garmin Fenix 8 series is slated for an early September release. This isn't just another update, it's a significant leap forward in design, technology, and functionality. The anticipation and excitement are high, fueled by swirling rumors and leaked images. Can Garmin once again surpass our wildest expectations? Let's find out. First official look. The Fenix 8 Solar is a standout in the Fenix 8 series thanks to its groundbreaking solar charging capability. This innovation makes it a perfect companion for adventurers who often find themselves in remote locations with limited access to power sources. With solar panels integrated directly into the watch face, the Fenix 8 Solar harnesses sunlight to extend its battery life, giving users peace of mind during long hikes, camping trips, or multi-day expeditions. Garmin's goal with the Fenix 8 Solar is to redefine battery longevity in the smartwatch market. While traditional smartwatches require regular recharging, the Fenix 8 Solar offers continuous power replenishment when exposed to sunlight. This means users can track their fitness, monitor their health metrics, and stay connected without constantly checking battery levels. For outdoor enthusiasts, this is a game changer as it reduces the reliance on charging cables and external power sources. By integrating solar charging, Garmin ensures that users can push their limits, knowing their watch will keep up with their adventures. Whether it's tracking GPS routes, monitoring heart rate, or receiving notifications, the Fenix 8 Solar is designed to stay powered, even in the most demanding conditions. This advancement makes it a must-have for those who prioritize both performance and battery efficiency during their outdoor pursuits. Design evolution. At first glance, the Fenix 8 might look similar to its predecessor with its rugged design and robust construction. However, Garmin has introduced a significant upgrade, a vibrant AMOLED display. This new screen offers richer colors, higher contrast, and outstanding visibility even in bright sunlight. This upgrade promises to turn the Fenix 8 into a visual masterpiece, enhancing the overall user experience. Durability and sensors. The Fenix 8 is not just about looks, it's built to withstand extreme conditions. Equipped with Garmin's most advanced heart rate sensor to date, the Elevate 5, it promises unprecedented accuracy in tracking your health and performance. Additionally, the Fenix 8 is designed to be water-resistant, making it a reliable companion for all your adventures, whether on land or in water. Garmin Enduro 3. For those who prefer a more traditional approach, Garmin offers the Enduro 3. This model sticks with the classic transflective display known for its exceptional clarity in direct sunlight and lower power consumption. This isn't just a design choice, it's a strategic decision for those who prioritize efficiency in extreme conditions where every bit of battery life counts. Pricing. When discussing technology as advanced as the Fenix 8, we can't ignore the price tag. The Fenix 8 series is a premium investment with the starting price set at $1,199 for the 47mm model and $1,299 for the 51mm version. This significant price increase compared to the Fenix 7 is justified by the advanced technology and the promise of up to 30 days of battery life with solar charging. Imagine 30 days of continuous use without needing a recharge. This isn't just a selling point, it's a bold statement that Garmin is redefining what's possible in smartwatch battery life. If you're excited about these revelations surrounding the Fenix 8 and want to stay updated on all the latest technology news and launches, don't forget to hit the like button and, of course, subscribe to Technology Review. There's plenty more to come, so turn on your notifications and stay informed.